everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and an extra special thanks to the over 8,000 of you guys who decided to join the Momentous family. Welcome to another Bargain Moments by Boothe video, where my aim here is to find the most affordable real estate in Jamaica to rent or buy and put it on display for you before others trying to buy or rent affordable real estate even have a clue. If you like this video concept, don't forget to comment down below and hit the like button too. Subscribe to this channel and turn post notifications on so you can get a leg up on the competition trying to buy or rent affordable real estate in Jamaica. But enough of the chattings, I know I'm ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Before we jump into today's video, I just want to preface it with, number one, this video is for informational purposes only. Number two, I am not a realtor. Number three, everything that I'm going to show and tell you here is public information and I got it directly from the MLS platform. Number four, I do not know or am I affiliated with this real estate broker or the realtor selling this property or these properties. And number five, please do your due diligence to ensure you protect yourself in all aspects at all times. But with all of that out the way, let's jump into this video today. Alright, so for property number one, we're heading out to the area of Ensom City, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. And this particular property is brought to you by Remax Elite, outstanding agents, outstanding results. And their outstanding agent that's listing this property is Miss Kameika Fullerton. You can contact her at 876-399-3011, or you can reach out to her via email at kamfullerton@remax-elite.com.jm. So the property on display today is going for a whopping 14 million JMD, or US $90,655.96, or Canadian $115,970.84, Great British Pound 68,329.35, euros 79,002.31. This property is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. The MLS number is 54830, and the description for this property reads: turn this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom fixer-upper into your dream home. Alright, so there's some disparity here because up above it says it's a 3-bedroom, but then down below in the description it says it's a 2-bedroom. Based on the pictures, I do see 3 bedrooms, but one had this chandelier looking thing, so I'm wondering if that's actually a living room and not a bedroom. But you guys will see what I'm talking about, and then you guys can let me know down in the description below if it's a 2-bedroom or a 1-bedroom property. Alright, so it says turn this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom fixer-upper into your dream home. The property is located in the Ensom City area, which is in close proximity to shopping centers, schools, and recreational facilities. Schedule a viewing today. And I actually know this area, so yes, it is close to shopping centers, schools, and recreational facilities, so that is indeed correct. So the amenities for this property, it says the flooring is ceramic tile. The lot size is 3,811 square feet. The site influences centrally located, family oriented, and it has paved roads and other. It is grilled and fully fenced, and what I'm seeing here is this property is actually a corner lot as well, so that's a big win. So there's a price comparison on the Remax website that is saying that properties in this area on the upper end are going for 18 million JMD, on the lower end are going for 10 million JMD. So, and on the middle end, or the average price for a property in this area is 14,113,000 and change. So based on what they're saying, this property is actually in the average price point for the area. Alright, so I noticed from the previous video that a lot of persons were concerned about the safety of the area, or if not concerned, they were just curious about the safety of the area. And this particular area in Ensom City, I can tell you that it is a family oriented area, and it is a safe area because it is an area that I actually know very well. I spent a lot of my childhood years in this particular area, and I still have friends who live in the area, so I know that this area is not a very violent area at all. So you can rest assured that if you invest in this property, whether for yourself or an investment property, you won't have to worry about safety. But nevertheless, I do implore that you take every precaution necessary to protect yourself. And I see that this particular property as well does have some safety features built in, but we'll talk a little bit more about that once we jump into the actual pictures of this property. All right, and with that said, let's jump on into the pictures of this property. All right, as you can see, this property is fully fenced. It is gated at the front. It is completely grilled. I see where you have space to park 2 cars, one covered parking and one exterior parking. Again, you can see that this place is grilled, and it has a decent yard space. I can see a mango tree in the yard as well. Looking at the property from the outside, you can see again it's a corner lot, and you can see some more mango trees. So that's a good sign that the soil is actually fertile, and you can plant for your at-home garden, or grow what you eat what you grow type vibes. The kitchen is dated, but all of that can be renovated. This is one of the rooms. It's already tiled, it's already grilled, so you could just paint that room and it'll be ready to go if you want to rent it to somebody, or even if you want to move in for yourself. The bathroom itself as well, it's a shower tub combo. It has a toilet, it has a sink, it has all you need to move right in. Similar concept for the next bedroom. It just needs some additional paint. And this is the room I was saying, I'm not sure if it is a room or an actual living room or dining area. You guys comment down below and let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for all the pictures that were provided for this property. I thank you guys so much for watching. I implore you guys to let me know how I can better this bargain moments by Boothe videos to make it better for you. But with all that said, AB signing out.